So this is our ornament gift tag craft. These are the kits. So you open up the kit, take everything out. There should be a circle like that. You just cut that circle out. I have one already cut out to save time. And then you will need Mod Podge or glue. And so you're going to just put that on. And then you would put your music, sort of center your music how you want on that. And you're going to want to trim it. And put some more of the Mod Podge on it. And then whatever cutout you have, whatever shape you have, just put that on. And I would put another layer of Mod Podge on top of that. And then you're going to let that dry. Once it dries, you'll repeat with the to from part. You'll center that on and put the Mod Podge and trim it. Then you can punch a hole in the top. And we have a ribbon here. If you put the ribbon through and you make a loop, you can hang it as an ornament or you can use it as a gift tag, either or. So enjoy.